We thought we found a good place to eat. Pulled over. It had great reviews. Really hungry. But, what's it say? Open Tuesday through Saturday. Today's Sunday. Oh well.
And then
We'll have to find somewhere else.
Denmark, it says in the sign. Cowboy Corral, Little Denmark.
Little Denmark. The reviews were great. The pictures look so good, and I want breakfast right now. Oh well. Okay, so instead of going out to eat, we decided to stop at Walmart, and we got one of these roasted chickens. We got some greens, some oranges, stocked up on plastic utensils. Sonia bought a random hot dog for some reason. But hopefully this works out where we can just pull apart some of the chicken and put it in Ziploc and put it in our cooler. The unfortunate thing is our cooler is only lasting
3 days.
Maybe 3 days with the ice. And we've already lost some food because of it. So that's unfortunate. That'll be fixed with a refrigerator, which we will have eventually.
Yeah.
Right?
Whenever we get the van. Who knows?
You know, technically we really could just have the refrigerator. I just think it's just way too cramped to have to worry about another thing that draws power the whole time. But the Jackery can definitely handle it. But it's too late now, right?
Right.
Right. All right.
Maybe next time. All right.
This is how you have to do it. It's not hard. It's not hard stuff. It's just tedious that I guess is time consuming, and it takes away from other things.
I almost cut this one because it's pretty hot.
That's a lot of good meat. All right.
I need a fork. It's really hot.
Yeah. We could. It's too late now to wait. So that's gonna be maybe 2 meals for both of us.
Yeah. I like the dark meat.
Yeah,
so
it works
Jeff
out
will
good.
Have this white meat.
I don't like to work too hard for my food.
Okay.
Ready?
Prepare those.
All right, let's see if I can do this one-handed. Oh yeah. One chicken breast down. So I guess another point to make is that we could go out for every meal if we wanted to, but that's not the point of this. The point of this whole thing is to get completely self-sufficient, where we'll never be completely self-sufficient, but more is better. But we could stay in a hotel every night if we wanted to too, but that doesn't
That's not much.
yeah, I mean it's a lot of money, but it's also not really what we're trying to do.
Right. We're trying to sustain
Kind of a minimal lifestyle, easy to roll out, easy to do things.
Oh. I need another.
But we'll go over more of that later. Okay, so we found this nice little park, and now we're gonna enjoy our meal. Got our chicken, we got light meat, we got dark meat, we have our half and half spring mix, we have cashews, some oranges, or what are these called?
Tangerines, mandarins, cuties.
One of those things. And we have our chips. And Sonia has a random hot dog. All right.
All right, here's your plate.
All right.
Do you want me to put the plate? Make your plate?
I think one person should hold the plates and one person should do the chicken. I can do either. I'll show the final product. Final product?
Then we got
That's
salad.
Sonia's.
We got thigh and a wing and chips.
Nice. Mine's basically the same except for it's chicken breast, and I have some cashews. Sonia didn't want any. And then we'll have some oranges
for dessert.
So all in all, it was pretty cheap.
It was like $20
and
including the ice.
The chicken's gonna be more, I mean, more meals, additional meals than this.
It's gonna be
and
the next day.
it's not the most unhealthy thing. It's not the best tasting though at the same time, but you know, it works for me. Dear Lord, bless this meal. Be with us on our travels and keep us safe. Amen.
Amen.
And if you guys want to know what a 25-cent hot dog looks like,
it's right here.
that's it. How's it taste?
It's actually really good.
Is it?
I could live off of that. Stop at Walmart, get.
There you go, folks. Okay, boys and girls, it's map time. This is the United States. Hopefully this is showing up okay. So when we left on our trip 10 days ago, this is day 10, right?
Yeah.
So if you haven't watched any of our videos previous to this one, we're making videos every day, so you might want to go back and start from the beginning. But we started in the Seattle area. We drove south on I-5, did a bunch of stuff. I'm recapping because I already have a previous video that shows all this stuff. Went down I-5, and then we cut over from I-5 going towards Reno, and then we went down through Truckee, Lake Tahoe, and then we made it to Vegas. We stayed in Vegas. So yeah, this is the new stuff now. So we stayed in Vegas for 2 nights because we had 2 nights of free hotel stay. And then from Vegas, we took Highway 15 north until we hit Zion National Park. And we took Highway 9 east for a little bit to do some exploring in Zion. And then we came right back on Highway 9 back to Highway 15 north. And then we got on Highway 70 east. And we're gonna continue until we get to the Arches tomorrow. I think for the rest of the day we're going to edit video because we have so many videos that we have not even touched. So that's the update, quick and easy. But as you can see, that's a very small part of the United States. I mean, we're definitely going to do a lot over here. We're definitely going, the only thing that we really know for sure is that we're going to Tennessee, which is over here, right?
Right here, Nashville.
Yeah, somewhere, yeah. So that's the update, kids. Oh, I wish I started this video earlier. Student drivers are always entertaining to watch. And this particular one in front of us, she almost hit us, right?
Yeah.
She almost hit us, but she didn't. And now we're watching her parallel park. And
I just smiled at him.
Everyone's been there.
But I've been there.
Yeah,
I failed.
I've been there when you were there too.
I failed twice, guys, in my driving test.
We all have our moments, right? Yeah, so.
Yeah.
All right.
So
she's doing it. She did it. She's pretty straight.
Yeah.
It only took 25 times.
I regret going.
Okay.
It doesn't even fall. It doesn't fully turn. You're too heavy.
All right, I'll get out. Wait, I'm upside down.
I got shorts
Sonia the hamster.
on. You gotta turn me.
All right. Oh God.
No! That's it.
Right.
That's it.
Okay, I'll just do this. It's fun, right?
That's it. Dude, that's it. Oh my god.
Okay. One more time. Oh man. I can push up, but I can't hold it yet.